Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the paper February-March 2016, paper 3.1, which comprises of data analysis, where we use Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet software, and website authoring, where I'm going to use web expression. Let me start the paper. Task 1 is about evidence document. Open the file m16evidence.rtf. Make sure your name, sender number and candidate number will appear on every page of your evidence document by placing these details in the header. So open the evidence document, insert the header. I am going to choose the 3-tab header, where we have to give the name, sender number and candidate number. Save this as a word process document in your work area with the file name m16evidence followed by your candidate number. Save this as this is my candidate number. Change this to Word document and then save. Now next is you will need to place screenshots and answer to questions in this evidence document. Task 2, web page. You work for Hothouse Design and will develop web pages for consulting properties in Goa. Many of the people who will view the web page have very slow internet connections, so efficient markup must be used. Create a new folder called m16_html. Locate the following files and place them in your m16_html. Create a folder, name it as m16_html, and locate all the files which is mentioned there. And then paste it here. Now create a web page called m16cp.html. This web page must work in all browsers and will have a table structure. Each table cell is identified with the letter and dimensions in pixels. The letters shown in the table must not appear on your final web page. Table borders must not appear on the final web page. So take a new file, go to the design view, save it as m16cp. Go to your folder, and save it as m16_cp. Now create a table. So there are 1, 2, 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Create a table using table option, table, insert table, 6 rows and 3 columns. And next part is to merge. Column A should be merged row wise. 5 rows are getting merged here, and then cell B is merging along the columns. 2 columns are getting merged, and cell K is getting merged by 3 columns. Let me start with cell A. You can see here that it got spanned along row wise, which is equal to 5 rows, and cell B, it got spanned along the column and 2 columns. Now cell K, col span is equal to 3. Now cell A is 300 by 1000. Go to cell properties, specify the width as 300. The first one is 300, which is in pixel, and height as 1000. And next is cell B, 600 by 200. 600 by 200. Now C, D, G, H have the same size, 300 by 300. Select CD and GH. Go to cell properties, 300 by 300, and next EF IJ have 300 by 100. So select EJ and the last two, EJ and IJ. Go to cell properties, 300 by 100. Click OK. Next, the last one, cell K is 900 by 80. So click on cell K, specify width as 900 and height as 80. Now next is place in cell A the image M16 logo.jpg. In cell A, you can go to your folder. This is the image. Copy and paste it in cell A. We need to give the alternative text. We know that this is a logo, so we can give image of logo. Then click OK. Enter in cell B the text we design, create, build, furnish, sell or rent. We can type this in cell B, and then we need to set this as H1. So select the text. This is the style option. Choose heading 1. Now use the appropriate image from M16 IMG1 to IMG8. See the image of a plot of land for sale. We can view this as large icon, and the first is see a plot of land for sale. You can see here, this is a plot of land for sale. We can copy and paste this in cell C here. The alternative text can be given as the same, image of plot of land for sale. Now in cell D the image of a builder making a wall. Cell D. Okay, here we have to give image of a builder making a wall. You can see this is one builder, so we can copy and paste this. Image of builder making a wall. And next G, the image of a beachfront cafe. Cafe is coming here. Yes, so copy and paste this in cell G. This is C, D, E, F and G, this one. And last one, image of a Portuguese style house. So you should know where is the Portuguese house. Obviously this is not the one, this is the one. So copy and paste it here. Image of a Portuguese house style. Now next is make sure appropriate text is displayed if an image is not available. We already gave the alternative text for each image, so we made it sure. Now in cell E, enter the text prime location building for sale. In F, local construction workers. In J, in I, Arosin beachfront cafe for sale. In J, Portuguese colonial style house for sale. Set all these text as H2. Select each of the cell, change this to H2. In cell K, enter the text web design by Hothouse Design page last edited by your follow by your name, candidate number and sender number. Set this as H3. set this as h3. Sender align the table in the browser, save the web page. Say we can go to table properties, table. Again, by default here it is specified as 100. We need to remove this, otherwise even if you change the alignment there won't be any change. The computer or the window will try to fit the content into window. First you unmark this and then change the alignment to sender. Now save. Make the text hothouse design a hyperlink to send an email message to hothousedesign@cie.org.uk with the subject line "Make me a website." Select this word. We need to make a hyperlink here. Insert hyperlink, and here we are going to send an email address. So choose this option, fourth one. The email address is hothousedesign@cie.org.uk. We can provide the email address here. The subject line should be "Make me a website." So now we created the email address with the subject line, and you can see the hyperlink is visible. And attach the style sheet m16ss.css to the web page. Save the web page. Go to format, attach style sheet. We can go to our folder. This is CSS. Attach it. So that's about web page. Now the next part continues with the CSS, which will be made as a different video or a different section of video. So that's all. Thank you.